Naghanap yung biyanan ko sa anak niyang babae na hinahanap niya. Sabi niya, nawala man yung anak kong babae, hindi man dumating. I'm gonna be jealous forever now. I'm the only one have a 6'6". Apil-apilo niyo. Hello, pizza delivery. Nung nakita daw niya yung katawan ng kapatid niya.
Good morning, Philippines!
Rocky Balboa, good morning. Why you have Rocky Balboa? Look at that. Good morning, Rocky.
Go outside.
Magluto lang ako ng egg, guys. Nilulot. Ito yung breakfast namin. Look at that. It's a weird breakfast. Fruit and egg. Tropical what? We're tropical, honey. We don't do that in the morning. Good morning, guys. Gising na kami. Gising na din si Bianan. Baka kukunin siya ng anak niyang babae. Maaga. Yeah, I noticed my battery. Before it takes hours. Now, if you keep using it, it's always like, I don't know. Luckily, I have two. I have two.
Not really.
If not, wait for another minute. Ayun is, what is today, Han?
Friday.
Today is Friday. Hindi siya pumasok sa trabaho. Bukas na. I have to change battery. There's a lot of fruit, guys. Dami ang ni Kami. Look what happened. Tons of fruit. Plus, this is fruit mix salad. There is more in our refrigerator. Look.
Well, my intention was to buy much less.
But you did more.
Well, because I wanted to buy it ready-made.
Apple.
And the one that had ready-made was wrong.
This one is good. How many what kind of fruit you got?
Just grape, cherry,
Huh?
grape, cherry, pineapple, watermelon. Good.
Puno, guys. This is my breakfast. Tea or coffee. Thanks, son.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng panahon is the sun is like parang nasa bukiran lang ako, guys. It's really cold. It hurt my teeth.
Sorry.
Tell her to go out here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Should have told you to put a piece of cheese in that scrambled eggs.
no.
Mary Ann made them, I just reheated them.
What?
Mary Ann made them, I just reheated them. A little bit. No, pepper. Okay? But I know you want yours. Sniffies. Very good pineapple. And pretty good watermelon.
Somebody's fighting out here, in here. Who is it? Somebody's fighting here.
Come on, let's give you a window to go on.
What are they fighting about?
I don't know, let's give you a window.
What? Come here, Bug. What is it? Hala, Dada, open the window, little man. Hala, the other one, that's why I look at it. Dimple, la la la, la 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 la, la 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 la. He's been with.
Two windows, one we each use.
Okay, you guys.
We share.
The AC is on. You shut it off.
No, come on, Debs, over here.
Dimples is the one coming here. It's just
They like to have their own windows.
look at this one. Oh, look. Hobbs, can you just let your sister? Poor Dimples.
Hey, you are a little squish. You're just such a little squish.
He is his cousin, but he is so cute. Okay, Dims, you have your window, Dims. I love you too, dear. I do. You go. Your brother is annoying, okay? I know your brother is something else.
Oh, okay, the walker.
The walker is here.
Right at you.
Rocky Balboa, what are you doing? Rocky. Yeah, Rocky Balboa. No, ito Rocky Balboa. Dinala ko yung laptop dito, guys. I'm sure napanood na ninyo tong vlog. And meron akong mga extra vlog. So, kaya, naging daily tayo at naging early na yung vlog kasi meron tayong mga extra. It's nice out here, right, Han?
Yeah.
He likes it. The weather is nice, but the AC is on. Why? What a nice day. Look at this, guys. Tammy is laughing at me because I use this table. It's really useful. And then I was like, kind of like, stupid table. Why you buy stupid table? Stupid table. Look at this. I'm using it. And then I'm in a rocking chair, Han.
Yeah.
Dito ako dito, and then dito yung table. Nice, Han. It's a nice workplace.
Did I give you that lightning?
Tommy, guys, he was vlogging. I want him to start vlogging wherever he is. Just a short clip, short this, short that. It's, you put it together. It's good. Naghanap yung biyanan ko sa anak niyang babae na hinahanap niya. Sabi niya, nawala man yung anak kong babae. Hindi man dumating. 2 araw na daw. Kasi may mga kasama daw mga barkada, mga babae. Pero hindi daw dumating, hindi umuwi. Sabi ko, baka hindi na yan uuwi. Iniwan na yung asawa niya. Kaloka talaga.
Let's see how you get that hand.
Mom, are you not cold?
No.
You're good?
What?
Are
You
you
good?
good? Not cold?
Are you good?
Ay,
Oh, jeez.
are you good?
Yeah. I think so.
Roxy, listen. Psst. Hey, I'm calling you. Okay, I'll be right back. Ito lang, trabaho lang ako dito. And yeah, she's looking at me right there. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Roxy, stop. Roxy.
I want to say hello to you.
Oh, you call my name, so I'm coming.
That's all sweet.
Oh,
Yeah.
because,
It lulls you to sleep.
yeah.
Hi guys, wala kami masyadong nagawa. Si Bia ng tulog na tulog dito ay ako nag-i-edit pa rin doon. Si Tammy, ang plano niya, sabi pa niya, he doesn't like my macaroni. He told me, I don't like your macaroni, it's so dry. Tignan nyo.
Oh, because you used to do it that way. You learn from me, and then you change, and you do different now.
Because there's no enough space to mix it and put other thing.
That's the problem. You get a bigger bowl.
Guys, di ba I told you that the air conditioning was flooding the last time? Tommy turned the AC overnight last night, and then what did you
Maybe it just took longer for the caulking to sit. I don't know, huh?
Maybe.
Is
No,
there
it's
an open
dry.
one? Is there an open one, or is this the only one?
Hala, not too much.
Oh, yeah, look how much macaroni there is. It's fine.
Be careful, oh. He is so careless. Eh. Tignan nyo na, guys. Rocky Balboa. I keep calling him Rocky, guys. You think he is look like Rocky, guys?
Not
Yeah.
hardly.
Han, you are good looking than Rocky. Rocky is so ugly.
Yeah, not hardly.
Yes, you are my Rocky. Rocky man. Rocket man. Rocky man. Be careful, please. I have to put this chair, guys, away. Because Tommy always ruin our white chair.
Yeah, Tommy always does. Always does.
Look, guys, what he did.
Tommy's not even here always.
Look, he always does.
Guys,
Look
let me
at
bring
this.
you upstairs where she got makeup on and went upstairs.
Oh, no, it's not.
I know,
Roxy.
I know.
Roxy ate my makeup.
Roxy did it.
Roxy ate my makeup.
Guys, oh, somebody did it.
Han.
I see.
No, don't look at that. Look at that.
What can I say?
You have to use 2 things, and that's why Tommy, guys, sometimes if he start cooking and doing something, you know what wife does? Let me do it. He is like messy, like all the counter, all this kitchen area, it's like a mess. But he is a good cook, and every time he cook, He put whatever he can see.
Everything.
Everything.
Put
Like,
everything in it.
even is not the right thing. You know, not the right thing. Like, that seasoning is not good for that. He will do it. And if you tell him, you have to be quiet, guys. Because if you tell him don't do it, he will show you
Do more.
he will do it more. And I know that of him. He is like pin in the neck that way. And what?
Comes out really good though, right?
Whatever. Whatever.
Oh, that's the part we're gonna skip. I get it.
We're gonna skip that part. Fun. But when it comes to cooking, like, you know, seasoning, Filipino food, our food is best. He doesn't like my cooking now.
Well, it can't be dry.
Why, Han? That's why you have saliva, right? Is it complimentary if somebody said that you have sex appeal?
Yes.
It's a complimentary?
Yes.
Hala, you put too much. Now it's now drowning.
It's fine.
So it's a complimentary. It's not like bad. You're talking about sex.
No, sex appeal is not sex.
So what is that sex appeal means?
It's like telling somebody they're sexy, that they're very attractive. It's sex appeal.
Because they said your husband have a sex appeal. Nah. I'm sure. I'm gonna be jealous forever now. I know you have a sex appeal, Han, but you are the only. I'm the only one have a sex appeal on you. Honey. Oh my god. Sorry guys, I'm just having fun here. Hala, you really have to move it?
Yeah, because I gotta mix it.
Goodness, this husband, guys. He cannot just leave my cooking alone. He cannot just leave it alone.
Well, did you have any yesterday?
No.
Well, then you can't tell the difference. How are you gonna compare?
Hello, pizza delivery. Oh, unhealthy. Okay, I'll give it to your brother. Okay.
What's up?
Ito yung lunch ko, guys. Talaga, bless you. Bless you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yan. Hindi pa ako tapos nag-vlog. So, dito lang ako kakain. Magla-lunch na kami. Wala kami masyadong gagawin, guys. Yung sister-in-law ko papunta na dito. Thank you, Ann. Tingnan natin to. Dalawang hotdog talaga. Masarap kasi yung hotdog nila, guys. Nathan's, tignan nyo to. What? Tignan nyo. I think okay lang yung laptop sa weather dito sa labas. Hindi naman sobrang mainit. Kain tayo. I forgot to bring some. Wala akong pangpahid. Dinalhan ako. Thank you, Han.
Yeah.
Hindi. I'm not even saying something. He just give it. Thanks, big boy.
You always forget that.
You are my Superman. Kaalis. Andito yung kapatid ni Tammy for like 2 hours. And, yun. Umalis na siya. Kinuha lang yung ina niya. Kumain kami ng prutas sa labas. Sobrang init, guys. As in, very hot out. Right, B-boy? It's so hot out. Very hot. Ah, my sexy. My sexy baby. Hubs. Hello, we walk. Almost 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Let's try. Let's try. We're gonna put oil change for my car, guys, kasi mga 3 weeks na yun, hindi nag-change. So parang masisira yung ano daw. Sabi pa nila masisira yung sasakyan kapag hindi ma-oil change daw. Bubuto daw yung engine, guys. Kumakain kami ng dito, fruit salad. Maganda kasi yung fruit salad sobrang ginawaan din sa labas. Sobra talagang init ngayon sa labas, as in. Ngayon lang kami pumasok dito. Ang sarap ng feeling dito sa loob ng bahay. Did you bump your elbow? Or hurt?
No.
You don't like this. I love you.
Me too. You're funny on camera.
Han, I always bump my elbow. And you know how hurt it is every time I bump my elbow? Tanungin natin si Tamimoy mamaya kung ano yung naramdaman niya. Anong masasabi niya sa kapatid niya para alam natin yung nararamdaman niya. Itanong lang natin. Kung hindi siya sasagot, okay lang din kasi, you know, alam na. So, kapag hindi siya sasagot, okay lang din. Itanong lang natin sa kanya mamaya. Let's see. Minnesota. What is that? Minnesota outdoor gear. Lumaki na talaga yan ng asawa ko. Inom ng inumin na iwan ko. Hindi man yan siya ganyan, guys. Oy. Yan. Nililibak na natin yung asawa ko. I love you. Gusto ko yung lumiit yan. Ang sayang. Gwapo ng baby. Are you gonna close that thing? Or you just leave it there? What is he doing? Kaloka naman itong asawa ko. Alam niyo guys kung anong kinukuha niya. Yung ilagay niya sa bibig. At saka yung hairbrush. You know who is my husband's best friend? Hairbrush. Hairbrush. The chair.
How much charge you got on your phone?
30.
That's it?
Yes, how much yours? You've been charging yours, right? Huh? Oh, the lighter is chargeable too? Huh?
Yeah, look.
Oh, look at that, guys. Even the lighter is chargeable.
Remind me about the fireworks. Of course, they promised Kevin there would definitely be fireworks when he comes.
When he comes?
Because they're coming for the
But
memorial service.
I mean, yeah, but you're not allowed to make noise.
We'll get sparkly fireworks, it'll be fine.
Nice houses up here. Yeah, nice houses here, guys. Nice area here, guys.
Beautiful piece of property.
Yeah. This is far from our house. We don't even know this area. Hopefully, guys, this place have space for us. Kasi I think, did you feel the car something different? I did feel something different, Tami. It's 40 here. Guys, this is what the guy said to us. If you smell something gas, don't laugh at it. It's real. The fireplace guy is like, you know, it's real. If you smell something,
Do you know what propane gas is like?
it smells strong gas.
Like rotten eggs.
That's what I smell.
No, gas. If you smell gas, it smells like gasoline.
Thank you, baby. Thank you, Han. So what did he say? Why are you talking about me?
Because I was like, I'm going to change all the filters. That has to be done at different times. Well, she can bring it down here. I said, no, she won't do it.
You see that, Han?
Yeah.
You embarrassed me, Han.
Oh, yeah.
And then what did he say?
She said, I tell her, you can go over there. And she's like, no, I'll wait for you. You laugh. He goes, my wife does the same thing. They're all the same.
What
He's
happened?
just, I don't know, he's just looking, so I don't know what's wrong. He's just staring at the car, so.
It's good to have a husband like him. Most husbands bring their wife to the thing like this, right?
What, like?
Put that to bring your car to the mechanics and stuff.
No idea.
Huh?
I have no idea.
Pag si Tami, bumibili na naman ng fireworks. Kaloka talaga tong si Tami. May nabili na nga, bumibili pa. Kaloka. Bibig ko yan, guys. Bibig. Shadow. This is final. Put it there. Put it there. luto na to, guys. Ito yung paborito ni Tami. Hindi luto. Hindi luto. Hotdog tayo. Hotdogs. Tigidi dogs. Somebody's in at the window watching us cooking. Oh! Somebody's at... What? You crying, baby? That butt ba? Don't show your butt. Hi! We're cooking hotdog, Baba. I'm freezing at this house. It's super duper cold.
So you just tell them how hot it was.
Yeah, but now it's very cold.
Yeah,
The AC, it's really working good.
it's good.
The AC, Han. Why you make it like cold, wintry? Matulog pala siya dito for a few hours, pahinga. And then, mag-drive siya. Drive siya sobrang aga. Mamayang umaga doon sa, papunta sa isang bahay. Ang lakas ng TV. But anyway guys, i-in ko na to. Kumakain na kami kanina lang. And yun. Close natin tong mga window. Kasi open. So yun, tinanong ko si Tami kung pwede ba siya about sa kapatid niya. Sabi pa niya, naintindihan ko, sabi pa niya, hindi pa daw niya kaya. Baka next week daw. Yeah. And ang dami kong gagawin guys. Kasi hindi lang ako mag-edit ng video. Maghanap ako ng mga sound music na funeral music, ang funeral na maganda. And also maghanap din ako ng mga pictures. Meron na si Tami mga pictures pero sabi pa niya hindi daw enough. So maghanap ako hanggang yung sa bata pa siya, hanggang lumaki, kasama yung mga anak niya, ganun. So yun yung gagawin ko. And I will put it together. Yun yung gagawin ko. And yeah, may nagtatanong pala, ano daw dito. Nagtatanong siya kung may borol ba dito. Yung parang puntahan mo yung borol, ganun. Actually, yes. Pero kasi malayo siya. Wala siya dito. Nasa ibang state siya. So, kaya ang nangyayari, diba, siya lang di doon yung mga anak niya. Hindi nga siya binalsamo. Iwan ko kasi sunugin yung katawan niya, no. Baka I think few days from now. Nakakasad kasi hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala guys, as in talaga. Nag-usap kami ni Tami, hindi pa rin nakapaniwala. So sabi pa niya sa akin nung nakita daw niya yung katawan ng kapatid niya, kasi hindi niya alam kung anong dahilan, diba, bakit bilis, bakit ano ba talagang nangyari. Dapat kapatid ka, diba, may mga question ka kung bakit nangyari yun. No, nung nakita niya yung katawan, para daw siyang kasi nakangiwi yung isang side ng katawan, so, face. So, sabi pa niya, parang stroke. But, yun din ang sabi ng kapatid niyang babae. So, yun, parang yun ata ang dahilan. Na-stroke siya. And then, walang nakakita kasi nasa labas yung anak niya at apo. Nasa labas ng bahay. Yung parang nasa likuran na naglalaro. Ang gagawin ko is compile, mag-collect ako ng mga pictures. Wala akong video. Iwan ko, wala akong video. Hindi kasi yun mahilig sa mga video. Mahilig yun mag-video sa cellphone niya, pero hindi siya mahilig sa yung i-video siya ng ibang tao. Hindi. And 9:30 already. My God, maaga pa si Tami alis bukas. Nakalimutan ko yung nag-question about funeral. Yeah, wala. Meron sila, guys. Kakaiba lang talaga to kasi wala siya dito. Pero dalhin yung abo ng katawan niya. And I'm going to probably film something. I don't know if I can vlog, but that's few weeks from now. May viewing kami dito. Pero hindi na yun talagang buong katawan. Ano na siya? So, yung abo na. And I will see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. I appreciate it. The barkads, mga sweetie pie, honey bun, sweetie, sugar pie, sugar cane. Bye guys. Good night. Good night guys.